you guys doing today?
So when we got the trailer, as our previous videos have shown, it had been lived in for a while. So what we are doing is trying to clean up the walls. So Austin, why don't you come over here and we'll show them. So this is what the walls look like throughout the entire camper. If you look, as I try to scratch off, that's years of cigarette smoke and grease and just whatever. So what we've done is clean this wall here as a test wall and trying to get rid of all of this. And it's been pretty successful. And Sarah's going to explain the product we used and why we used it.
So we used TSP, and it's a degreaser. Thank you, Vanna.
You bet.
And it's a degreaser, and it works really, really well. In the videos that, or in the video, you will see I've got it in a bucket with water, hot water, and I use microfiber towel, and I use just a regular wash rag to clean all of the surfaces, and it works really well. But you're going to want to use rubber gloves because it is a chemical, and it can definitely burn you. So I'm also wearing glasses, safety glasses, so that I don't drip into my eyes.
For all you safety nannies out there.
That's right. OSHA approved.
Not OSHA approved. Don't do what we do because you will die.
That's right. If you're not doing it wrong,
You're not trying hard enough.
you're not trying hard enough. So,
All right,
Okay.
so the reason that we use the TSP is because we're going to be painting over this wallpaper. And the TSP cleans all the grease, all the dirt, all the grime, all of this stuff off of the wall so that it can accept paint. So that's the reason that we use the TSP, and it's been recommended to us by several people, and it worked out really, really well, as you'll see in the video.
so we'll only be cleaning the surfaces that we're keeping. So everything else, the last video was our destruction video. So this video that you're going to be watching, it's going to be just cleaning the surfaces that we're keeping. So,
That we're painting.
yep.
All right, rock on.
Okay.
Enjoy the video. enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Hit that thumbs up button if you want to.
And share.
Oh yeah, share.
Make sure you share it.
Share
With
our
lots and lots and
craziness
lots and
with the
lots and
world.
lots
Yep.
of people.
Yep. Thanks, y'all.
What are we doing today?
All right.
What are you guys doing today?
Very, very serious. And so